Hi guys and girls, hope you're all doing well today. Welcome back to another episode of Everything You Need to Know with me, Anthony from Easy Car Care. I know it's been a while since our last one, but we've had Christmas and New Year and it's just been major busy. But anyway, we're back now, we're fighting fit, and there's going to be a lot more to come this year. So on this episode, we're going to be covering Ultimate, our APC. So without further ado, let's get into it. So, Ultimate, what is it? It's an all-purpose cleaner. Exactly what it says on the front. It cleans, it obliterates dirt. Use it on your engine bay plastics, you can use it on your wheel arches, use it in your interior, your seats, your carpets. If you want to use it at home on your carpets, you can do. Stick it in a wet vac, dilute it to the correct ratio that we recommend, and that's it. Dilution ratios, simple. You can start as weak as a 20:1 ratio and work all the way up to a 4:1 ratio, depending on where you're going to be using it. So for example, if you're using it under your engine bay, which is a very dirty area, stick it at a 4:1. You can use it neat, but we don't recommend it just because of how strong the product is. So if you can, just dilute it down. So the correct method of using Ultimate depends on where you're using it on the car. So we're going to run through them one by one, and we'll start with fabrics. Get your Ultimate, dilute it down to the correct ratio, spray it onto your seats for example, get yourself a detailing brush and work it in. Once you've done that, a microfiber might not be enough to dry it, so you may have to get your wet vac out depending on how wet it is. Engine bays. Again, dilute it down to the correct ratio. Now bear in mind that engine bays do get very, very dirty, so you might have to make it a little bit stronger. Once you have done, spray it around everywhere, get a detailing brush, work all that grime off, and then simply wipe away. You can, however, jet wash it off, but use complete caution when doing this. Just remember, electrics and water don't mix, so that risk is on yourselves. Interior cleaning. Again, dilute it down to the correct ratio. We'll use your cup holder as an example. You split your coffee in there, you've not cleaned it away, it's gone all minging and sticky and horrible. Spray it in there, get yourself a detailing brush, work it around, wipe it out of a microfiber cloth. Also, you can use it on like your door shuts, the kick panels at the side. Again, spray it on, detailing brush, simply wipe away. So, tips and tricks on Ultimate. Well, as I've said, you can use it on your fabrics. So if you've got a fabric convertible roof, you can use it on there. I personally use it on my tyres as well. Grab yourself a tyre brush, spray it on your tyres, give it a good scrub. I'd also go as far as saying you could use one of these on your convertible roof as well. First time mistakes with Ultimate, there's not really a lot we come across to be fair. Dilution ratios. Start off weaker and work your way up, so if it's not working, add a bit more. If it's not working, add a bit more. The reason we do this is so you don't waste product. So, Ultimate, what can you pair it with? As I said, your tyre brush, and you could also use it on your convertible roof. And our detailing brush is great for the interior, like I said, your cup holder. Our microfiber works cloths are great for wiping away with, and also finishing products, we can use your Revolution tyre gel, and then once you've done your interior plastics, finish it off with sleek. So that's everything you need to know about Ultimate, our all-purpose cleaner. As always, thank you for watching. If you don't already, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget, press that bell, and next time I drop a video, I'll come along and ring your ding-a-ling. And until next time, thanks for watching.